If you use Outlook every day, imagine losing all your important emails, attachments, and personal data in one unexpected moment. Scary, right? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to back up your entire Outlook mailbox in just a few minutes so you stay protected, organized, and worry free. This is the complete Outlook backup guide, and trust me, you'll want to follow every step. Backing up your Outlook data isn't just a tech thing, it's your insurance policy against accidental deletion, account issues, or even cyber attacks. And the best part, the process is simple, fast, and anyone can do it. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook website. Once you're there, click the Sign In button. This takes you to the login page where the backup process begins. Next, enter your email address and hit Next. Then type in your password carefully. If you struggle with remembering passwords, this is the perfect time to use a password manager. It keeps your info safe and makes sign-ins much easier. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook home screen. From here, head over to the Mail section, usually accessible from the top navigation bar or through the app menu. This is where all your inbox data lives. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Settings gear icon. A sidebar will appear. Scroll until you find General, and under that, select Privacy and Data. This section is where Outlook stores your data management tools. Inside the Privacy and Data page, you'll see an option called Export Mailbox. Click on it. This instantly tells Outlook to begin packaging your emails, attachments, contacts, everything, into a downloadable backup file. Depending on how much data you have, the export process may take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't finish immediately. Outlook will prepare the file and notify you once it's ready to download. Just stay patient and let the system do its job. And that's it. Your Outlook backup is officially in progress and you're on your way to keeping your email life fully protected. If this guide helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.